Alright, so today we're going to learn how to use this calculator to make a table and a graph for us, which is a lot easier than all the hard work you've been doing to do it. So the first thing that we're going to do before we even start using this calculator is we're going to hit second plus 712, and all that does is completely clears out the calculator. So anything anybody else did before you is gone, and you have a fresh, clear, brand new calculator to work with. So once we do that, we're going to hit y equals up here, this top left button, and what that does is let us type in an equation. So I'm going to look at the first equation on your paper, which is y equals 2x minus 5. Notice that the y is already in there, so all I need to type in is 2x minus 5. I'm going to hit 2, and then to put in x, it's this button right here that says x, t, this, and n. So we're going to hit x, and then minus 5. So now the calculator has the equation. Now, if you see in blue letters up here at top, it says table. To make it do whatever the blue thing says, I need to hit the blue button, second. So I'm going to hit second, and then this button, graph or table. And then it makes us a little table. So you can hear is x and the y values, just like the table that we have over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy those. When x is 0, y is negative 5, negative 5. When x is 1, y is negative 3. When x is 2, y is negative 1. Going on and on, I have positive 1, 3, and 5. So now it says, first, make the table using the calculator. Check, did it. Then make a graph from your table. So using these points, the point 0, 5 is 0, negative 5, sorry, 0, negative 5. There's our y-intercept. Then 1, negative 3, when x is 1 and y is negative 3 at this point. 2, negative 1, 2, negative 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, and 5, 5. Now if you notice, we already knew that this is what the graph would look like because it has a y-intercept of negative 5 and a slope of 2. So every day I get 2 more dollars. Every day I get 2 more dollars. Every day I get 2 more dollars. Every day I get 2 more dollars, etc., etc., etc. And then I can connect these. Hopefully your line is straighter than mine. Mine looks pretty terrible. And we're good to go. Now, you can do the same thing with all these other problems. Some hints for this next one, though. I'm going to clear that out. To type in fractions, all I need to type is negative 1 divided by 2, because that's what a fraction is. 1/2 means 1 divided by 2. And then x plus 3. The only other thing that I want to show you in the second table, the only other thing I want to show you is that in this table, the x values are going up by 1. But here, starting at negative 4, and they're going up by 2. So first thing you can do is you can use these arrows to scroll around. So I could scroll up to where I can see negative 4. The other thing that you can do is when you're in the table, if you hit plus, make sure you're on 0 first, but if you hit plus, you can make it go up by whatever you want. So I can put 2, and then hit enter. And now my table goes up by 2's. I said make sure to be on 0 when you do this because otherwise it gets the table all weird. But we can make it go up by hundreds, anything you want. And then just while you're on 0, hit plus 1, you can go back to normal. All right, so make the rest of those on your own. Ready, set, go.